Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove or hide labels in Google Maps. Whether you want a cleaner look for screenshot, direction or just personal preference. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi or internet. After connecting your device to the internet or Wi-Fi or mobile data, simply open your Google Map application. After opening Google Map application, simply tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. After clicking here, Google Map Mobile doesn't let you fully remove labels, but you can try switching to satellite view for fewer names and icons. For satellite view, simply go on the option called layers. As you can see here, simply click on it. After clicking here, simply go on option called satellite. After going satellite, as you can see, it is on satellite mode, but in desktop, you can simply toggle off the labels by clicking the labels on switch. It will change to label off. And that's how to remove labels in Google Maps. It's super useful for presentation, mockups, or when you just want a clutter-free view. If this helps, give it a like, subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.